Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, my name is Terry. So we all have those days where we have little to no time to do our makeup and you can only probably spare 10 to 15 minutes to get ready. So that's why today I decided to share my under 15 minutes natural makeup tutorial. If you're interested, then stay tuned. So I'm starting off fresh out of the shower so I can share with you guys my skin prep. The first product I'm going to be using is the Ecosonia Driver's Skin Balancing Mist, which contains organic pineapple extract, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C. This helps to balance out my skin pH and it also serves as an amazing skin toner. So once that's dried down completely, I'm going to go in with my niacinamide serum. I also applied my moisturizer off camera, but then I'm going to go in with my sunscreen, and today's sunscreen is from Supergoop. It's a broad spectrum SPF 40 PA++. It says on the packaging that it's sweat proof and water resistant, but I don't know about that. I only really use it because it dries down completely clear. We love that for dark skin people. So I'm going to wait a few minutes to let my sunscreen really sink in, mixed with that vitamin C mist that I just applied onto my skin. I mean, you guys knew this was coming. Hit the subscribe button down below and turn on your post notifications so you never ever miss an upload from me. And also join my Instagram page. Yes guys, I have an Instagram page where I post all the behind the scenes of my video creations. So follow me on Instagram so you can hit me up if you have any comments, questions, concerns, anything. Hit me up directly on Instagram. To ensure that my makeup is going to last all day, I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray and I'm going to spray a generous amount of that all over my face. Even though we only have a few minutes to get ready, I'm trying my best to gravitate towards products that will help increase the longevity of my makeup, because Lord knows I'm not going to have enough time to get to touch up my makeup during the day. Frankly speaking, I never really get to do that. I'm also going to be using a dime size amount of my Maybelline Poreless Primer in the center portions of my face and on my T-zone. Right before I go in with my L'Oreal True Match Foundation in the shade Deep Cool C9. I've really grown to love this foundation over the past couple of weeks. It's an OG foundation, but it is medium to full coverage. And it's also really lightweight. You hardly feel like you have anything on your face when you have the L'Oreal True Match Foundation on. I'm buffing everything into my face using a damp beauty blender from Rosa Beauty. And Rosa Beauty is a Ghanaian beauty brand. And not to show off, but I think this is the softest beauty blender I have ever used. Softer than the Real Techniques beauty blender by far, guys. I'm also going to be leaving links to all the products that I've used in this video in my description box down below to make purchasing easy for you guys. So if you want to check out any of these products, please feel free to check out my description box down below. I'm going to have everything linked. So I'm all done with blending out my foundation. We're going to move on real quick to highlighting and contouring. And we're not going to be doing too much because, Charlie, first of all, I'm going to be using the Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the shade Chestnut underneath my eyes, on my chin, forehead, and down the bridge of my nose. If you're not new to my channel, you know that I love my Too Faced Born This Way concealers. I use it in almost every single video. I'm also going to be using the other side of the same beauty blender to blend out my concealer. So for contour, I'm using my cream contour palette from Black Radiance in the shade, is it medium dark? Medium dark, I think. And I'm going to be using the darkest shade. I'm just using this to attempt to bring back some structure into my face. So I'm going to be applying that on the sides of my nose to contour it just a little bit, and also on the hollows of my cheeks and also underneath my jawline. Once I'm done blending out everything seamlessly, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier setting powder in the shade medium deep. I'm mostly going to be setting the areas where I applied my concealer, and this is just to prevent the concealer from moving or transferring during the day. I'm also going to be doing a bit of reverse contouring my cheekbones, so underneath where I applied my contour on my cheekbones to give that illusion of higher cheekbones. I usually double my bronzer as a blush, and I'm using my CoverGirl Full Spectrum powder in the shade Ebony, and I'm also going to be applying it using my Real Techniques blush brush. Moving on to the brows. Yes guys, that's really a toothbrush. When I'm in a hurry, I mostly gravitate towards using this because truth be told, it brushes my brow hairs better than any brow spoolie out there, guys. You can't tell me anything. So I'm not really going to go in depth with this brow routine because I have a full detailed brow routine video, and I'm going to leave it right above me here in the card. So if you're interested in knowing exactly how to do your brows at home by yourself, please feel free to check out any of these videos. I'm also going to leave it linked in my description box down below for you guys. So yeah. So my lashes usually have a mind of their own. They can be very messy. So I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara to comb through my lashes. I love to use it on my top lashes and my bottom lashes as well. For my lips, I'm going to be lining my lips with my brow pencil, and I'm using the same dark brow pencil that I used to fill in my brows. And I'm going to top it all off with my favorite lip gloss. I just got this lip gloss from Makeup Obsession. I really love clear lip glosses, and this one has a sweet minty feel and taste. And oh, again, all these products that I've used are completely optional, guys. Switch out this routine however you wish to. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I hope you've subscribed, and I hope you come back to watch more of my videos. I'm going to leave a couple of them linked right here so you can continue watching more of my makeup videos. Comment down below and let me know if you found this video helpful in any way. I'll catch you in my next video next week, but until then, later.